Today we've had Active Kidz launch here in Ammanford, where we've had a couple of Paralympians come in and deliver some sessions to the pupils and to really launch this club in the community.
It's a club for physical and sensory disabilities. They do various multi-skills, work on their catching, throwing, running, jumping, whatever they want to do really. They have a team game at the end, so they all join in and they all help each other, and the camaraderie is brilliant.
I love working with the children. They didn't fail to impress. They were just awesome. Bundle of energy. And again, it's my job, it's a fun job as a coach, to challenge them at the right level. So you don't want to make things too easy, but you need to adapt everything you can to give them the most full session as you possibly can.
I was never allowed to do sport in school, so I wanted to make a difference to the children at an early age so they can be more active more often and have more experiences than I did.
Do you know what I mean? There's not enough out there, to be honest. You know, you've got mainstream sport across the board. We all know about that. Well, what about everyone else? Do you know what I mean? We need to be inclusive. So we need to adapt our sports that we've got available to bring everyone in. You know, and rugby-wise for myself, do you know what I mean? It's massively important because Welsh sport, Welsh people, Welsh children, they want to play rugby. Do you know what I mean? So why not be able to give a form of rugby or a rugby experience to these kids?
So I just want to say a big thank you to all the parents who bring the children every week, and most of all to the children.
We had a good day, we had fun.
Active Kidz!